Hello friends, how to fix WhatsApp logging not available right now problem? Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all tap and hold your WhatsApp app. Tap on I button. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Clear cache. OK to confirm. Go back to previous page and make sure your all permission is allowed. Allow all permission one by one. Then go to home page and go to Play Store. Search here WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp app if it's available for updates. Please waiting for completing update process. Okay, after completing update process, then open your WhatsApp app and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.